Alright, all of the data has been overlaid, and I've added the NICs and the NIC data. And we're about to try to connect these things. But let's first take a look at what the world looks like here with all of the data overlaid. Now, I can turn the rendering on. It's very dark because I don't have any lightings, so I'm going to just put the gray on, and let's put the mesh on so you can kind of get a sense of everything's relation. So right now I have view, viewpoint, front, right? And what we can see is we have a couple of NICs on the device for each representing each router. And then each router we have the device ID and the router itself with a NIC here and the NIC identifier. Now if we swing the camera around, we have information about the NIC, duplex full, the native VLAN the whole time in the VTP, as well as some more information about the device itself. So that's all looking pretty good. But now what I'd like to do, right, is connect this router, or this NIC, excuse me, with this NIC, and this NIC over here with this NIC. Now I know we can do this manually, and this is going to take me a little bit to figure out. I'm not claiming to know how to do this, but I'm hoping we can draw some cables and then maybe programmatically figure out how to get them to place in the appropriate location. Alright, so I'm going to stop this video here, and then we're going to come back and start making our wires, which is going to be quite a fun little video. And it's easy. In a couple little steps, I'm going to show you how you can make your own wires. Okay, stick around.